Hi, I'm Kylie. Let's make a Dorodango. Firstly, you want to mix your clay. Then add some water. Seal it off, releasing a little air. And knead. It's getting a little bit sticky, but there's still a lot of powder. Now our little balls. You can see it's really firm and stiff now. Empty it into a bowl. And now we're going to piece it together. We're aiming for a very strong and compact core. Beautiful. Now we want to flatten it out, cover up any gaps, any cracks, smush it all together. These little cracks are okay, they'll go away. Roll it, toss it. After some time, you'll end up with something like this. Keep tossing it, keep shaping it. You want to get it as round as possible. It's going to save you a bunch of work tomorrow. All right, leave it to dry, 24 hours. The next day, add some water and olive oil to a bowl. Now, roll your dried Dorodango in the water, around 20 seconds. Using a jar, wet the mouth and begin to rotate. This will shape your Dorodango into a perfect sphere. So, take your time, don't rush it. The more perfect you can get it, the better it will shine later. This process will vary depending on how round your core was. Okay, that's looking pretty nice. We'll add some powder now. If you've got color, feel free to add it here. I like to use a mica. Mix it in really well. And make the core sticky using the same water as you were using before in the same rotating motion. Toss it around in your hand to get it all evenly wet-ish. We don't want it wet, we want it sticky. And then add your dry powder as quickly as you can before the surface dries. And then we just rub it in. We will do this for quite a long time. You want to work it to a sheen. Okay, should be looking like this. It's got a texture on it. Now what we're going to do is, with a dry shot glass, rotate it ever so gently. Do not apply any pressure. You'll notice the changes straight away. Keep doing this. Do it evenly. Make sure you cover the entire surface. And it should end up like this. Then we're going to blend it with a tiny bit of water. Then add some more powder. Same as before. Really take your time doing this. You want to press it in as hard as you can and for as long as you can. And just work it back to a sheen and then get your glass again, dry polish. And then blend it again. You can probably notice the pattern. Okay, more powder. Rub it in. and polish it again with the dry glass. It's starting to look really good, a little bit more even. So then just blend it and we'll end up with this. We're not done yet, it's looking great. A little olive oil to your shot glass, just for lubrication. This is going to be our final polish. Take your time, go slow, be gentle. How amazing is it that it's shining so well? Well, there you have it. 3.5 hours crammed into 6.5 minutes. If you enjoyed this mini taste of how you make a Dorodango and you'd like to make one yourself, my Etsy store has a bunch of different kits, namely a 1.5 hour video tutorial, which is expanded on this and I go into great detail. These kits come with the tutorial, the clay, and all the tools that you need. If you're just looking for a top up, I also sell the clay by itself. So jump over to my Etsy, have a look, and I hope you find a kit that suits you. Thanks for watching this video today and making it right to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. Bye for now.